Okay, windows are going closed.
Okie dokie.
Lights.
Summit Grumman 9498 Lima 4 west for pattern for landing 17.
Alright, am I staying in the pattern?
Yep.
Alrighty.
That's Mark. Guy that's your Grumman that you sat in the other day.
Oh, nice.
Okay, go ahead.
Alrighty, off we go.
Easy. One wheel at a time. Nose wheel, then the right main, then the left main.
Keep it on the center line.
Yep. Ease off on the aileron. Nose up. Nice. Beautiful.
I did it. Why does it keep wanting to go that way?
Which way?
Go this way, to the left, because it's trying to go into the wind, right?
Yeah, because if you relax the rudder just enough for the climb, it's going to end up going into the wind. It took that much rudder, that little extra amount of rudder that you had in there to stay on the center line.
Alright, and 400.
Wait till the end of the runway.
Oh, was I not over the end of the runway yet?
There's the end.
10 left space, runway 28.
Okay, we know Mark's out there, so don't bring your nose up in the climb. They're in the turns there. Okay. Good, we're crabbed away. And we're into the wind. And
whoop!
turning our downwind.
Summit Grumman 9498 Lima entering the upwind for landing 17 Summit.
Alright, do you want me to go around or extend the downwind or land?
No,
or?
he's entering the upwind like we did.
Okay, so land?
So he's behind us, yep. And go ahead and do your advisory. You're on downwind.
Right.
Midfield downwind, actually.
Summit traffic, Cessna 715 on midfield downwind for runway 17.
So now he knows to look right at midfield. Okay, you still have that one turn the nose up trim in there for your climb, so you'll only need 2 turns of trim, nose up trim probably.
I think you just put 3 in.
No, I put 1 down and then I put 2 up.
Well, then you need the 3rd one in there, but 80 is what we're looking for, Jen.
All right, 80.
There's that same antenna that I saw last time around. So remember to round out or level, and then flare.
Summit traffic, Cessna 715 entering left base for runway 17. Okay. I'll put 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I think you can go half.
Breaker count traffic, right away, turning left downwind.
That wind on base is shoving you across base real fast.
Yeah, I see it.
You see you're high now, right?
Yep.
Power back. Don't dive. Don't dive. What about flaps?
1, 2.
You're at 90 miles an hour. Oh my goodness, this is going to be interesting.
All right. Power's all the way back. 75. 70. Can I do it?
It's starting to look good. Rudder, stay loose on that rudder.
Come on. Yikes. Ay, ay, ay.
Summit Grumman
Okay, I got your flaps.
Lima on downwind for 17.
And let's go.
Touch and go.
All right, go?
Yep.
All right.
Little flap there, weren't you?
Yeah, you got the flaps, right?
Flaps are up.
Ay, ay, ay. Dang, right rudder. I'm sweating.
Say what?
I'm sweating.
I'm not. Take it out to the road up here.
All right.
Probably have to do that anyway to get your 400 foot. There's the end of the runway.
All right, so he was doing touch and goes, right?
I'm sorry?
He's doing touch and goes.
Yeah, I think so.
Quaker Town traffic.
See your speed? It's a little slow.
Stage
right.
11, Quaker Town.
Easy on that rudder. I don't know where he's at out there, but we'll have to look for him when we get on downwind.
Bridge traffic, purple RV, 15 miles to the northeast inbound, full stop, Bay Bridge. Quaker Town traffic, right on way 7. Turning final, 1-1.
Oh, I see him.
Quaker Town.
Right rudder. See, he overshot the final.
Yeah.
Okay. You got to remember that tailwind on the base is going to blow you through that final or over to the final real quick. So that's going to use less altitude and less time. There's a double locomotive down there pulling the train.
1500. One, two, three. I'll back it off a little bit.
Yep, because you're already at 80. So you're almost trimmed for 80 already.
From a 9498, Lima's on the go around 17 Summit. Stay in the traffic.
Summit traffic, Cessna 715, turning left base for runway 17. I don't know why I keep pulling back in the freaking turns. One,
As you're looking
two,
over.
three.
As you're looking over to the left, you should be looking straight ahead. Keep your head straight and level.
All right. Whoa, turned away too soon.
Okay, high or low?
High.
Power, flaps.
See if I can get over to the runway.
You may have to add the power back in on this one.
Okay. Keep it in the windshield.
Speed's a little bit fast, not bad. There are worse things to do.
That's all the way down, right? Yeah.
Yep. Looks like Rick's down there. Okay, center line, alignment, drift. See how little aileron it takes? You're drifting a little bit left there.
All right. Shoot.
Very nice.
Dang it.
Okay, I got your flaps, carb heat and power. Let's go.
All right.
And you probably need about a turn or two nose down trim. I'll get that for you. Okay. Let's get her off the ground. She's ready to fly. Why did we lift off left side first?
Because I had the aileron up.
Was you,
Grumman 949.
were you supposed to have it up?
One downwind
No.
for 17.
Supposed to be the
I was supposed to have it down.
right main wheel first.
Favor traffic, purple RV is 8 miles
Oh, I see him.
northeast. I'll make a 45
I'm going to go out a little bit further.
Yep, very good idea.
Bay Bridge.
That way he's not dictating your pattern when you get over there to the important part of being on base and final.
Yeah. All right, I'll go at 600.
I'd like to see you have a little less angle coming down final there.
Like nose down angle.
Yeah. So you almost need a little bit of power for that. Well, there's a raindrop there. Holy shit. Let's
What?
make this one a full stop. We'll turn off at that intersection as
Right.
Rick's down there.
Okay.
And we'll taxi over to his hangar.
Sierra.
Yeah, we're getting raindrops.
Yeah.
Cool. Get this windshield washed for once.
Summit traffic, Cessna 715 on downwind for runway 17. When I turn base, do you want me to say like anything about getting off the runway, or do you want me to just stay clear of the runway when we land?
Yeah, just do clear of the runway when you land.
All right.
Virtually he ain't gonna catch up with you.
All right.
Okay, you're at 1,200 foot. What's pattern altitude?
1,100.
About 1,000.
I mean, why did I say 1,100? I meant 1,000.
It's 11 back at Raintree.
Sorry.
That's okay.
I meant 1,000. All right, car beat 1,500.
Now this time I want to have you plan that turn to base to final a little better so you aren't angling
Bay Bridge
in,
traffic.
angling out.
RV is on the 45 for left downwind for 11, Bay Bridge.
Okay. Down, get down, get down, get down.
Yeah, we'll just use that altitude by going out over to the canal.
Okay. I think my landings are like getting a little bit more consistent.
Yep, you're starting to get to the point where you're understanding where you're looking and that you want to flare just a little bit earlier. You're kind of making me a little nervous. Every now and then you might see my hand move over here like
I see.
Getting ready to grab the yoke.
I see it.
Don't pick your nose up in that turn.
Safe. Runway.
There you go. You know the canal's 90 degrees to the runway.
Oh, I did not know that. Aha.
Okay. Looking good. Flaps half.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. Okay, nose down a little bit. Nose down a little bit. Speed, speed, speed. Don't turn. Oh.
Sorry.
See how quick it turned?
Yeah.
Because you're slower now. Okay?
Okay.
So, looks to me like we're high, doesn't it?
Bay Bridge traffic. Purple RV. You're turning left downwind for runway 11, Bay Bridge.
That's more the angle. Yeah, it's getting there.
75.
Let's get a little flap in there. And you might need a little bit of power back in.
A little bit of power back.
Once we get full power, or full flaps.
Full stop, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Keep it lined up with drift with the ailerons, rudder for the alignment. Very nice. See how you're starting to settle in here?
Yeah.
Keep that nose the same place. Use your power if it looks like you're going to end up being short. Not too much. See, it doesn't take a whole lot. Ooh. Let's get on the center line. Ease off the
on downwind for landing 17 or touch and go.
Very nice. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Clump, clump. Okay, brakes.
Hang on. I need to get back on the thingy.
Yep, brakes.
Brakes. Okay, brakes.
Okay. Here, let me have it. I'll taxi it over to Rick's hangar.
Alrighty. I'm sweaty.
Yep, open your windows.
Alright. Want me to say clear of the runway?
715 clear going to the ramp.
Summit traffic says 715, clear of the runway, headed to the ramp. Oh yeah, the breeze.
What about my window? Don't I matter?
I guess. Okay.
I gotta stop anyway. I gotta get a drink.
I still think, excuse me. I still think my landings are more consistent. Is that somebody?
That's Rick.
Oh, that's Rick. Are we going on the thing? Is this how you get to the ramp?
Yeah.
This thing is so tiny.
What?
This thing.
Taxiway?
Yeah. This is a taxiway?
Yeah.
What the heck? It's really narrow. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because it's just grass, but
yeah.
Still. Are there any taxiways that have like bridges besides like the big airports? Are there like little airports that have bridges?
Nah, because bridges cost so goddamn much money to build.
Chicago has a bridge, right?
Yeah. They have like 2 or 3.
Yeah, Chicago is
A
cool.
little sandpiper or whatever you call them things.
Oh yeah, the little sandpiper. Run, little guy, run. Yeah, I like the 172s. Do you think I'll ever get this comfortable in the 180? Even though I'm still not really like comfortable in the 172. I feel like I am, but
you're getting there.
Like 100%. I know I can fly one without crashing. I am confident in that.